welcome back to the shop. As you can see, I have a face mask, and I will show why I did wear such a thing. So stay tuned, and I will move the camera to show you. So as you can see here, let me put some light. I start to paint. Focus. I start to paint the door, the lower door of the arcade cabinet. So I guess another painting layer will be okay. And can see here also pretty nice result. You know, is the painting on this guy. So the control panel is finished, just a light sanding and it will be okay. And let me put some light. As you can see, a light sanding will be fine. The other side is almost done, and what is remaining now will be this plate here. You can see the place for the door. Already start to paint the lower side. I have to do the other side here. So you have to protect the door, and the top is already made. So pretty good result. I'm happy with that. And after the painting, I will have to do some wiring operation. So it is. I will share the result further job with you. It's pretty cool. Like it.